Hi guys, welcome to my another unboxing video. So this time we have Moby P5000 Sonic Gear Bluetooth speakers, and they're amazing. You can see their shape is like a whale, which you can see over here. It's like a whale, and what they say it has a Bluetooth 4.0, 10 meters range, total system power 5 watts, and rechargeable battery. And as you can see, it has 1200 milliamp hour battery, so 4 hours easily it can work. And you can say if you're using at 50% volume, you will get 8 hours, no problem. So let's quickly unbox it and find out more about this product. All right. Okay. Now, to open this box is really hard. Okay. Now. Okay, so here's the box. There is nothing in the box. All's good. And we have this product. You can see it comes with this small pouch, and this pouch has a product guide and how you will be using and installing, all about the Moby P5000. And it comes with this twin audio cable and a micro USB cable for charging. Okay, we have this product here. Now it's very lightweight, very nice, it feels amazing in the hand, and it's pretty premium. And okay, so I think let's unbox this and find out more about it. It has micro USB cable, it has a USB port and micro SD port and audio aux point. Here you can say there's a call option. I think you can take call or turn it on or off. It's a play option, mode, volume up, volume down. So as you can see, it's pretty premium, pretty new. And let's take this off here. Okay, turn it on, find out what's it about. Wow, that was a nice sound. Let me know in comment what do you know about this product, or how did you like this product. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.